Soft skills crucial for officer-like qualities include leadership, effective communication, and decision-making. These skills enable officers to lead teams, articulate strategies, and make informed decisions under pressure. Emotional intelligence and adaptability are also vital, allowing officers to manage stress and respond to dynamic situations effectively. The armed forces prioritize officer-like qualities, OLQs, a combination of personality traits and soft skills. These are assessed during the Services Selection Board (SSB) through group discussions, group tasks, interviews, and psychological tests. This presentation will explore the essential skills and traits required for success in these evaluations. Effective communication skills are crucial for success. Clear and logical expression ensures your message is understood. Active listening fosters better understanding and collaboration. Confidence in speaking enhances your ability to convey ideas persuasively. Respectful interaction builds trust and rapport, essential for productive relationships. Interpersonal skills are crucial for effective collaboration. Team spirit and cooperation foster a productive environment, while empathy towards peers enhances understanding. Respecting diverse opinions encourages innovation, and building rapport quickly strengthens relationships. These skills are essential for navigating complex interactions and achieving collective goals. Effective decision-making and problem-solving require quick analysis of situations, ensuring logical actions are chosen. Accountability for decisions is crucial, as is balanced risk-taking. These skills enable individuals to navigate complex scenarios efficiently, fostering a proactive approach to challenges. Emotional intelligence involves maintaining composure under stress, positively receiving criticism, and empathizing with others' emotions. It also includes inspiring and motivating peers, fostering a supportive environment. These skills are crucial for effective leadership and collaboration, enhancing both personal and professional relationships. Confidence and initiative are crucial for personal and professional growth. Taking responsibility involves owning actions and outcomes. Being assertive yet humble ensures effective communication without arrogance. Volunteering for tasks demonstrates proactive engagement, while belief in oneself fosters resilience and determination. These qualities empower individuals to navigate challenges and seize opportunities effectively. Adaptability is crucial in dynamic environments. It involves adjusting to new groups with a flexible mindset and maintaining a positive approach to change. Social adjustability ensures seamless integration, fostering collaboration and innovation. Embracing adaptability enhances personal growth and team cohesion, paving the way for effective leadership. Effective leadership involves guiding teams towards shared goals by inspiring and influencing without dominating. A true leader leads by example, fostering an environment where team members feel motivated and empowered to contribute their best. This approach not only achieves objectives but also cultivates a culture of mutual respect and collaboration. Discipline and time management are crucial for success. Prioritizing tasks ensures focus on what's important, while following instructions maintains consistency. Punctuality and organization enhance productivity, and self-control prevents distractions. These skills form the backbone of effective leadership, enabling individuals to navigate challenges with courage and determination. Courage and determination are vital. Physical and moral courage empower individuals to face challenges head-on. Perseverance ensures resilience in adversity, while standing by the truth fosters integrity. A never-giving-up attitude is essential for overcoming obstacles, driving success, and inspiring others. Officer-like qualities reflect potential, emphasizing balance over perfection. Developing communication, teamwork, leadership, and emotional balance is crucial. These qualities are the gateway to success in the armed forces.